Welcome to today's video on a groundbreaking topic, AI in protein folding and drug discovery. In this video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing the fields of biotechnology and medicine, specifically in protein folding and drug development. From curing diseases faster to creating life-saving medicines, AI is playing an increasingly important role. But before we dive in, let's understand why protein folding and drug discovery are so crucial. To understand the power of AI in this space, let's first look at what protein folding is. Proteins are large molecules that perform a vast array of functions in our bodies. Their shape, or structure, is key to their function. If proteins don't fold correctly, diseases can arise. For years, scientists struggled to predict how proteins fold. However, this changed in 2020 when AI took a giant leap forward. In 2020, DeepMind, a leading AI company, made an astonishing breakthrough with AlphaFold. AlphaFold can predict protein structures with incredible accuracy. Before this, scientists used experimental methods to determine protein structures, a process that could take years. Now, AI has reduced that time to mere days. AI helps to understand the 3D structure of proteins based on their amino acid sequences. There are approximately 20 different amino acids that form proteins. Each protein can have thousands of amino acids, making the possible folding combinations astronomically large. Traditional methods like X-ray crystallography and nuclear magnetic resonance, NMR, were not efficient enough to handle the complexity. This is where AI comes in. AI algorithms like AlphaFold have revolutionized this process by training on vast datasets of known protein structures. This enables AI to predict the structure of a protein from its amino acid sequence with unprecedented accuracy. The significance of this breakthrough cannot be overstated. Imagine trying to create a life-saving drug without knowing the exact structure of the protein it targets. For many diseases, this lack of understanding meant that drug development took years, if not decades. With AI now able to predict protein folding, researchers can accelerate drug discovery, potentially cutting the time required for drug development from years to months. Let's dive into drug discovery. AI is now helping scientists design drugs more efficiently. Traditionally, discovering new drugs required screening thousands or even millions of chemical compounds to see if they could interact with specific proteins. AI models have streamlined this process by predicting which compounds are likely to be effective. For example, AI models have been used to discover new drugs for diseases like cancer, HIV, and Alzheimer's. In fact, a study conducted by In Silico Medicine in 2020 demonstrated how AI was used to discover a new drug candidate for fibrosis in just 46 days. This is a stark contrast to the typical timeframes of several years in traditional drug discovery. AI models can analyze vast datasets of chemical compounds, genetic information, and clinical data to identify patterns that might be missed by human researchers. With this ability, AI is transforming the entire process of drug discovery, making it faster and more cost-effective. One of the key advantages of AI in drug discovery is its ability to predict how a drug will behave in the human body. Traditional methods of drug testing rely on trial and error, often involving animal testing. AI allows researchers to simulate how drugs will interact with human cells, tissues, and organs. This not only reduces the need for animal testing but also makes the process more ethical and efficient. AI also enables precision medicine. By analyzing a patient's genetic data, AI can help create personalized treatment plans that are tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup. This is particularly valuable in areas like oncology, where certain cancers may respond better to specific drugs based on genetic factors. The implications for global health are profound. With AI speeding up protein folding and drug discovery, life-saving treatments could reach patients faster than ever before. Researchers are already leveraging AI to combat diseases that have long eluded science, like Alzheimer's and rare genetic disorders. AI also holds promise for developing treatments for antibiotic-resistant bacteria. In 2019, the World Health Organization warned that antibiotic resistance was one of the greatest threats to global health. AI models can help identify new antibiotics that can fight these resistant strains of bacteria, giving us hope for a future where we can overcome this growing problem. As AI continues to evolve, it will only get better at predicting protein folding and discovering new drugs. Scientists are working on even more advanced models that can predict the effects of drugs on diseases in real time. This means that researchers could potentially design drugs on the fly based on the latest insights into protein structures and disease progression. While AI has already made incredible strides, there are still challenges to overcome. One of the main hurdles is the complexity of the human body. While AI can predict protein folding with incredible accuracy, it still doesn't have a perfect understanding of how proteins interact with each other in the human body. Nonetheless, progress is being made, and every day, AI is getting closer to understanding the complexities of biology. In addition, ethical concerns must be addressed. With AI playing such a significant role in drug discovery, questions about data privacy, consent, and fairness must be considered. Researchers, policymakers, and companies must work together to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. AI is also creating new job opportunities in the healthcare and biotechnology sectors. As more companies adopt AI technologies for drug discovery and protein folding, the demand for skilled AI professionals, bioinformaticians, and data scientists is expected to rise. This shift is paving the way for a new era in biotechnology, where AI is at the forefront of innovation. AI is already making a huge impact in protein folding and drug discovery, and the future looks even more promising. With continued advancements in machine learning, we are likely to see breakthroughs in treatments for diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and rare genetic conditions. The potential to create personalized medicine for individuals based on their unique genetic data is a game changer for healthcare. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect the pace of drug discovery to accelerate, reducing the time it takes to bring new treatments to market. The implications of this are enormous, from improving global health outcomes to making healthcare more accessible and affordable. In conclusion, AI in protein folding and drug discovery is transforming the world of medicine. It's helping us better understand the molecular mechanisms behind diseases and accelerating the process of developing life-saving treatments. As we continue to unlock the potential of AI, the future of healthcare looks brighter than ever. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of AI and biotechnology. We hope this video has helped you understand the groundbreaking impact of AI on protein folding and drug discovery. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on AI and its applications in healthcare and beyond.